I don't know how you spend your days, guys, but I spend my days trying to get sponsors for this show. I take meetings, everyone knows this, because good independent journalism needs the backing of big business. I always say this. Hey, guys, I've landed a huge client, Whiskas. It's massive, and I've gone big with a new investigation, cats. Why the hell do they make all those noises? Cats. You may remember them from sounds like this. Or this. Or this. Okay, that's Van Halen, but he is nailing that. Anyway, I need some professional help here. So, Chloe, why do cats make such a wide variety of noises?
One of the most common noises is a purr. If they're quite happy and content and it's a normal rate of a purr, that means they're quite happy with you.
Yeah.
Chirping means that they're talking, and obviously the typical meow.
And when you say they chirp, what does the chirp sound like? I don't think I've ever heard a cat chirp.
When they go, meow.
Could you look down the barrel of the camera and do the chirp again?
Edit that.
Chirp. Hey. If a cat hisses at me, what does that mean?
So that's normally a defense type of noise.
Oh, I thought
normally,
it was love.
No. So it's kind of like a warning to please step away from me.
What about if my girlfriend hisses at me? What does that mean?
I think you might have to bring that up with your girlfriend.
Right, okay, yeah, probably not applicable. So you can't download it on Duolingo to, try to get across it a bit?
You could try, but I don't know how helpful that would be.
Yeah, right, I want to speak cat. So there you have it. Play us out, keyboard cat.